Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to duplicate specific pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file at Nitro Pro PDF Editor, select file option and select your open, and you can open your PDF file. I have already opened this PDF file, and this left side was this top corner. Here you will find this page thumbnail icon. Click here and click on this on page and select specific. Press Ctrl key from your keyboard and hold it. Now you can select another pages and say these two pages now specifically selected. Also I select this page and say this. This is different three pages I selected. Now click right button for mouse cursor and select duplicate and say this. This selected page is now duplicated. Yeah, say this one. This is and this one. In this way you can select specific pages. Also I'll duplicate this first two pages. Simply drag your mouse cursor and select. Now click right button and select duplicate and save this. In this way you can duplicate your pages and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.